Alright guys, I will be showing you how to download and use Wallpaper Engine to give your computer a live background that like moves around and it looks pretty cool. So first you have to make sure you have Steam installed. When you get to Steam, go over to Wallpaper Engine. It should be the first one that comes up. It is $4, but in my opinion it's worth it. Cause you definitely get a lot of usage out of it, and there's a lot of different backgrounds you can choose from. So yeah, just go ahead and install that. So once you guys have gone ahead and installed it, you are gonna simply open it. So when it opens, you will have a couple options. I choose clone single wallpaper, but if you want like one wallpaper for each monitor, you can do that. Or if you want to stretch it, like if you want it just to be stretched across like a few monitors, you can do that. I don't really recommend it unless all of your monitors are like the same size and you know, but it's preference. But I choose clone, and whenever you want to remove it, you can just press this button, uh, change wallpaper, and now this is my wallpaper. So when you guys open it, it will bring you over to the Discover page, and this is where you can find new wallpapers, and you can download them from here. So, uh, you find one that you like. Let's see, this one looks pretty cool, and you will just press subscribe, and it will automatically download it and put it in your library. And then once it's downloaded, it will set it to your wallpaper. Thank you guys for watching. Uh, I might do more videos. Just let me know if there's any games I can play or any video ideas. Thank you guys for watching.